Okay, so let's
They
start.
hacked Kimalto. Kimalto was hacked.
How was
This
I?
video is actually on Kimalto. No. It can happen to anyone, guys. Just don't click the link. Don't click the
Alex,
link.
that's not going in the video.
That's going in the video. Do you know what you can do with that if you pause?
No, I'm not gonna pause.
Babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll be talking about our channel being hacked, how we got hacked, and how you as a YouTuber or anybody who just has a YouTube channel can avoid being hacked. So if you're interested, please stick around because that's exactly what I'll be talking about in this video.
She's the star.
I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In the metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
So let's start from the very start. How did I know that our channel got hacked? So basically, I woke up one morning and went on Instagram and saw that one of our subscribers had messaged me with a screenshot asking what happened to our channel. And then as soon as I saw the screenshot, I knew instantly that we were hacked because I could see that there was this live stream that was being sent by something called Ethereum. It's some sort of like Bitcoin, I think. So we were sending a live broadcast about that. When I opened my YouTube, I realized that okay, I'm logged out of YouTube, I'm logged out of Creator Studio, I'm logged out of everything. And then when I tried to go into our Gmail and our YouTube, the password doesn't work. The email address itself had a new profile picture of the Ethereum logo. And I realized that okay, we are in some deep mess right now. So I immediately went to Google, like searching how to get your channel back, how to recover an email address, all those stuff. When I tried Google's recover email page, nothing worked because the hacker got access to everything. The hacker changed or recover email, the hacker changed my number, Alex's number, so we couldn't get any codes sent to us, nothing. We were just totally locked out. And guys, I was panicking. I honestly was panicking. So I remembered that I have a follower on Instagram, or I follow someone on Instagram who got her channel also hacked a while back, and it took her a long time to get that channel back. And so I messaged her and asked her how did she get her channel back. She told me that the easiest way to get in contact with YouTube or Google is if I would let someone who has access. You're beautiful, but it's the wrong time to be chirping here. Oh, it flew. So she told me that the easiest way to get in contact with Google or YouTube was to have someone who has access to YouTube partnership message them on their live chat and let them contact me. And luckily I have a friend who has access to YouTube partnership, and she messaged them for me and she sent them my email and all the other details they needed to know. And they told her that they would have contacted me like during the day, but I was a bit skeptical because I didn't trust their word really. But they did contact me in like within an hour after she had messaged them. So thank you, Becca, thank you so much for your help. So they contacted me asking for all the necessary information that they needed to know in order to recover my Gmail or Gmail and or YouTube channel. The whole process took like, I think it was a week from the day we realized we got hacked, because I think we got hacked like 2 days before we even noticed that we got hacked. I was just really nervous, guys, because I was like, will I ever get our channel back? Will we ever get our videos back? What about our subscribers? Like, will everything just be gone? What if the hacker deleted our videos? What if? And then I was just lost. Alex and I, we were lost. Like, how did we get hacked? Like, what did we do? Did we visit some site we weren't supposed to visit? Like, what happened? And then I went on YouTube and I started to like look at people's videos who got hacked and how they got hacked and everything. And then it hit me and I realized, oh, I know how we got hacked. I actually know how we got hacked. So this is how we got hacked. Usually, since I'm the one who checks emails and stuff, and Alex and I, we spoke about it before that, okay, neither of us should click on links in our emails because it can be hackers, it can be scammers, whatever. Never click links in our email. But one lovely day, I was going through our email. I think it was actually the day that we got hacked was the day that I looked at that email. The email was from a company, and usually when I get these emails, before I even consider even doing anything with it, if it's a sponsorship or anything like that, I usually research the company to see if it's legit, whatever. But this company claimed to have been Anthropology. I think it's a store, I don't know if it's UK based or American based, but it's a store that sells furniture, clothes, all those type of stuff. And I googled it and I was like, okay, this is a real company. So they messaged me asking what Alex and I would charge to do a pre-roll in our video. So I was like, okay, all right. And then I asked them how long. I sent a reply saying how long would this pre-roll be, so that Alex and I could like give a price for that link. And mind I say also that even their email address, like I looked up and it looked so legit, because usually you can see when an email is really fake, but this email, I don't know how these hackers are so good, and that's why we really need to be careful, because they copied that email down to the T. It looked so perfect, it looked so genuine, it looked so authentic. And they sent a reply with a link that looked to have been like a Google document link. Like, thinking about it now, guys, why I'm talking like this is thinking about it, I just feel so stupid, and I like blame myself, but I try to not like be too hard on myself, because it could have happened to anyone. Obviously, even YouTube's own YouTube channel got hacked like 4 weeks ago. So if YouTube's channel can get hacked, then anybody else's channel can get hacked. So me with my fool self now, see the Google document link, fool myself, click the blasted link. I clicked the link, guys. When I clicked the link, I realized that, oh, this looks fishy, and then I closed it out immediately. Like when I saw that the link didn't go anywhere, then I realized that, okay, I think I messed up right now, because once you click that link, that's when the hackers just get access to everything in your database. This, if you guys know what this is, it's called social engineering. Basically, that's what it is. So that's how we got hacked. So I just want to tell you guys, like, if you're a YouTuber or thinking about being a YouTuber and you get these sponsorship links, do not click any of those links. If companies are interested in giving you a sponsorship, they'll probably send you like a PDF file, like something in your email that you don't have to be redirected to another page or another program and whatever. So really be careful of that, guys. Do not click links in your emails. Do not do it, because scammers, they are really good at copying and making things look very genuine. That got me, and if it got me, it can get you too. So please be careful. So when YouTube gave us back access to our channel, we had to change everything. They changed our name from Kim and Alex to Ethereum. They changed our profile picture. They removed our banner. They privated all our videos. Thank God, I thought they were deleted. And I had to put all of those back to public. I had to put on extra security on our Gmail. I mean, even though this was a very traumatizing experience, it's also a learning experience also, because now I'm sure, at least I want to be sure, that this will never happen again, because the reason why I say I want to be sure is that it's not, you can't only get hacked by just clicking a link. I've realized also that you have these pages like on Reddit or so that actually sells other people's YouTube channel for money. And if you pay for someone's YouTube channel, a hacker for in some way can hack your YouTube channel and sell it to another person. So guys, now that we have our channel back, I just hope it can remain like this and we just have peace and nobody tries to steal our little channel from us. So yeah guys, that's actually what happened, and that's how we got our channel back. And this is also how you can avoid getting your channel hacked, your Instagram hacked. It can be anything. It doesn't even have to be your YouTube channel. Just be careful of how you provide your information, links you click, sites you visit, and all those other things. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. Our next video will be very interesting. I think you guys probably will find it interesting at least. So please stay tuned for that video guys, and we will see you then. Bye guys.